Get ready to transform your home with the top 10 game-changing kitchen gadgets you absolutely need in 2024. Stay tuned, and let us know which gadget tops your list. Number 1. I'm obsessed with the electric garlic chopper. It's compact, powerful, and makes meal prep a breeze. With just a press of a button, it chops garlic and other ingredients in seconds. Cleanup is a snap too. Whether you're a busy cook or a culinary enthusiast, this little gadget is a game-changer. Trust me, it's worth every penny. Number 2. Introducing the Evolup Rapid Egg Cooker, your kitchen's new best friend. Whether you're cooking for one or hosting a family breakfast, this multifunctional egg cooker has you covered. With the capacity to cook up to 6 eggs to your desired firmness, soft, medium, or hard-boiled, it's a time and water saver compared to traditional stovetop methods. Plus, its compact size makes it perfect for any space, from dorm rooms to picnics. Cleanup is a breeze too, thanks to its detachable, BPA-free components. And with a range of accessories and a 1-year warranty, it's a breakfast game-changer you won't want to miss. Number 3. Introducing the Dumpling Pressmaker Machine, your new kitchen assistant. This electric gyoza-making marvel is a game-changer, simplifying the process of wrapping gyoza with its automated features. Say goodbye to tedious manual labor and hello to time-saving efficiency. But it doesn't stop there. This machine is versatile, perfect for making various pastries and snacks with different fillings. Plus, it guarantees consistent, uniform results every time, making it accessible to cooks of all skill levels. With user-friendly controls and easy cleaning, it's a breeze to operate and maintain. Upgrade your cooking game today with the Dumpling Pressmaker Machine, your shortcut to delicious homemade dumplings. Number 4. Introducing the Automatic Pusher Glide Beer Box, the ultimate solution for organizing your favorite beverages. This space-saving marvel is a game-changer, utilizing vertical space to store a large number of drinks in your fridge. No more cluttered shelves, just perfectly organized beverages at your fingertips. Crafted from sturdy materials like galvanized iron and ABS, it's built to last and withstand daily use. Plus, assembly is a breeze with no tools required. Cleaning is hassle-free too, just a quick wipe with a damp cloth. With its large capacity and versatile design, it's perfect for any fridge, countertop, or store. Say hello to organized bliss with the Automatic Pusher Glide Beer Box. Number 5. Introducing the Dash Air Popcorn Popper Maker, your ticket to quick, easy, and healthier popcorn. With just a push of a button, you can enjoy hot and fresh popcorn in minutes. No oil or added preservatives needed, just hot air for a guilt-free snack. Perfect for parties or cozy nights in, it pops up to 16 cups of popcorn effortlessly. Plus, it's multifunctional. The included measuring cup also doubles as a butter melting tray for that classic movie theater taste. Compact and stylish, it's a must-have for any kitchen, dorm, or RV. Get popping with the Dash Air Popcorn Popper Maker today. Number 6. Introducing the Egg Storage Container, your ultimate solution for egg organization. With its large capacity and space-saving design, it can hold up to 60 eggs in a compact size, meeting the needs of the whole family. The 2-layered drawer system makes accessing your eggs a breeze, while the timer function helps you keep track of freshness. Made from strong, odor-free materials, it's both visual and safe, with transparent trays for easy monitoring and separate compartments to prevent breakage. Plus, it's stackable, saving valuable fridge and kitchen space. Say goodbye to egg chaos and hello to organized bliss with the Egg Storage Container. Number 7. Introducing the Soda Can Dispenser, your fridge's new best friend. With its self-pushing design and smooth sliding track, grabbing a cold one has never been easier. No more digging around for your favorite drink, this dispenser keeps everything neat and accessible. With generous capacity and customizable dividers, it holds up to 18 cans of your preferred beverages. Plus, it's versatile, perfect for your fridge, parties, or even vending machines. Say goodbye to clutter and hello to organized bliss with the Soda Can Dispenser. Grab yours today and enjoy the convenience of effortlessly chilled drinks whenever you need them. Number 8. Introducing the Corrode Egg Pan Omelette Pan, your kitchen's new MVP. Crafted from eco-friendly granite non-stick material, it ensures safer, healthier cooking with no PFOS or PFOA. Unlike ordinary pans, it boasts a 4-cup design, perfect for frying up 4 eggs, pancakes, or your favorite breakfast treats. With its extended bottom and quick heating technology, cooking is faster and easier than ever. Cleanup is a breeze too, thanks to its rivetless interior. Just wipe or rinse, and you're done. Plus, its durable construction ensures long-lasting performance. Experience the joy of effortless cooking with the Corrode Egg Pan Omelette Pan, your breakfast game-changer. Number 9. Introducing the 5-blade kitchen salad scissors, your ultimate kitchen companion. Say goodbye to tedious chopping and hello to precise, fast, and convenient cutting. With 5 stainless steel blades, it's 5 times faster than a kitchen knife, making it a must-have for any herb or salad lover. No need to dirty extra dishes, simply snip right over your pans or bowls. Made from quality, rust-proof materials, it's dishwasher safe and built to last. Plus, its ergonomic rubber handle ensures a comfortable, non-slip grip for both righties and lefties. From herbs to paper, this multi-purpose tool does it all. Upgrade your kitchen game today. Number 10. Introducing the Philips Pasta and Noodle Maker, your ticket to fresh, flavorful pasta in minutes. This innovative machine takes the hassle out of pasta making. Just add your ingredients and let it do the work. With 4 shaping discs, you can create a variety of pasta and noodle types to suit your cravings. Plus, it's not just for traditional pasta. Experiment with egg, vegetable juices, and herbs for healthy, gourmet creations. With dishwasher-safe parts and a convenient storage drawer, cleanup is a breeze. And with the included recipe book, you'll never run out of inspiration. Taste the difference of homemade pasta today. Thanks for tuning in to our top 10 home and kitchen gadgets roundup for 2024. Which gadget are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content. Until next time.